Hey everyone, it's Diablo Killer 124, and today I got a message from someone asking me to, well, not asking me to do a video, but he was asking me how to do stuff with bullets. And I sent him a message back, but now I'm gonna do a video on it just in case, because I sent him a few messages. Yeah. So basically, what we're gonna do is this. You're gonna be able to click, and you have bullets and shells. I didn't really know what to name the shells, but like, let's say you run out of bullets, and then you press R, and then it reloads your bullets, which did not work so well because it just wasted two shells. But yeah, so basically, when you're out of bullets or when you only have a few left, I guess when you get to zero, it reloads twice. Or yeah, you can have up to 10 bullets at a time. Well, actually, 20 bullets at a time. The way this is done. But yeah, so oops. Let's start by creating a new flash file action script 2.0. Sorry, and just create some text box. I'm gonna make this one static, and I'm gonna say bullets. Make it a little smaller. It's not gonna look too good, I guess. And then this one will be dynamic, a little bigger. I'll make it a little bigger than that. Okay, now I'll just select that, control drag. I'll just rename this to shells. Sorry, shells. Yeah, it looks, I guess, even enough. Bullets. Well, in the bullets dynamic, or sorry, in the bullets dynamic text, the instance name set to bullet AMT or whatever you want, and then in the variable, also bullet AMT. I'm not really going through this. I'm not really gonna explain anything, but yeah. So, and then in the shells dynamic one, shell AMT, and then variable shell AMT. You can do whatever you want, of course, but I'm doing it like that. And also, we're gonna create a new layer. Just rename it actions or whatever you want. And click on layer 1 and click on the first frame and drag it to the second one. So now it'll give you a frame to load. And then hit F6 to create a new keyframe on the actions. The second keyframe, just so we don't use the same keyframe. Okay, so now in frame 1 of your actions, go to your actions panel, and then we're going to type var bullet amt equals 10. Just set it to its initial amount, and then I'm going to do var shell amt equals 10. So now if we test it, it should, oh, it says 10, but it's blinking really fast. That's because we have to come in here and type stop. Now if we test it, it doesn't blink and it's right there. Okay, so now come to where you type stop, which is frame 2 of actions. Go before or after it. I don't think after matters, but I'm doing before. And we're going to start with on mouse down equals function. This is just like right movement and such. Well, not exactly. We're going to do if bullet amt is greater than 0. Bullet amount will equal bullet amount minus 1. This probably won't be the best text because I really did only do it in like, well, I mean, it took me a long time to figure it out, but I really did this part really fast. I did the next part. It took me a long time to figure it out. I'm gonna end that, and then we're gonna have else. We don't need anything in else, but I'm just gonna leave it there. Oh, and in the else here, you can put like a sound must reload or something. That's the thing about doing earlier, but then I didn't. That's why I have it. Okay, then just go above that or below it, and we're gonna do on enter frame equals function. I'm gonna do if shell amt is greater than 0 and bullet amt is less than or equal to 10. So it means if the shell amount, meaning if there are shells left, um, it'll let you reload. Plus, you must have at least lower than or equal to 10 bullets to reload. So you can have a maximum of 20 to 30 bullets at a time, depending on how this works. Now, in that if, we're going to do if key dot is down, and then we're going to do 82, which is right, the right key code. Or, I mean, not right, I mean R, lowercase r. You can Google and find key codes for Flash. Yeah. So we're going to do 82. So, meaning if they press that, I tried looking up key up, but I couldn't figure it out. So, yeah. Now we're going to type bullet amt equals bullet amt plus whatever you want it to be. So, however many shells you want it to give, or bullets. I'm just going to put 10. And we're going to do shell amt equals shell amt minus 1. Now we can test this. As you can see, we can click. When we click, we lose bullets, but when we're less than 0, or when we have 0, it stays at 0. And when we hit reload, ooh, okay, we did something wrong here. It doesn't reload our bullets, but it does show. On enter frame equals function if shell amount is less than SHELLAMT less than 0 and bullet amount I'm just gonna pause it for a second. Okay, sorry, I spelled bullet wrong right here. Okay, now let's test it. As you can see, you still click, you lose bullets. Now if you hit reload, it'll only reload you a certain amount of times. But sometimes it'll accidentally reload you too much. Like, oops, what was that? Oops, there we go. Like, hold on, I'll try to show you. I don't know, but sometimes it'll go down 2 or something. Yeah. Hold on, let me just see if I can. Anyways, so yeah, that's this tutorial. I hope this has helped you guys. If you do have any requests or anything, just send me a message or leave a comment, and I will hopefully respond to it quickly. Yep. So comment, rate, and subscribe. Do you guys want more Adobe tutorials or um, Flash? I'm thinking about doing a whole bunch more Adobe, but I mean Flash. I don't really know about Adobe. I'm trying to learn PHP, MySQL, and Flash, put it all together. But yeah. So comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks.